Rudy, we got a modification we're going to do today to this system. Yesterday they finished putting a new septic field in here. So they broke up the irrigation system that was originally installed here approximately 25 years ago. It has some PVC, it has some poly. So what we're going to do is locate the valve box and wire. And then from there, we're going to install a new manifold for here. All new pipe, all new heads to be done with this. It's going to be quicker, cleaner, more economical for the owner for us to do that. Okay, first we'll start off with locating where everything is. Yeah, we'll track that down first. Okay. And we're going to go up that way with slit trench. So we're going to take from here, and then we're going to slit trench. And guys, you got to be careful with this. This is part of this new septic, okay? So don't be cutting that. So we'll probably put a rotor here up on this corner, coming off the zone here, and it can be a full, or it can go around 270 and pull back around here. There, perfect there. So we'll go from here to where Karina is and up. Yep. And Santos is going to be here tomorrow. So Santos is going to put those back in, mulch all this. He's just trying to give you an idea.